Markets fall in anticipation of a fiscal cliff resolution. Good evening, everyone. I'm Kristin Martinez, and welcome to tonight's VSB Stock Market Report. Investors have been patiently awaiting answers as Washington debates the budget and discusses how the fiscal cliff will be handled. The issues center around a partisan divide between Democrats and Republicans on how to approach the deficit. If no agreement is made, $607 billion in automatic spending cuts and tax increases are scheduled to take effect in January, which could be devastating to growth perspectives for the U.S. in 2013. Technologies and financials led the sell-off today, with only the telecommunications and consumer services sectors eking out a small gain. Gold fell $3 to end at $1,725 an ounce, while oil remained at $85 per barrel. In North America, the Dow Jones closed at 12,756, down 0.46%. The S&P closed at 1,375, down 0.4%. The Nasdaq closed at 2,884, down 0.71%, and the TSX closed at 12,139, down 0.43%. In Europe, the FTSE 100 closed at 5,786, up 0.33%. The CAC 40 closed at 3,431, up 0.55%, and the DAX closed at 7,169, up 0.01%. In the Pacific Rim, the Nikkei closed at 8,661, down 0.18%, and the Shanghai closed at 2,048, down 1.53%. In the U.S. bond market, the 10-year U.S. Treasury's closing price is 111.30, decreasing the yield to 1.59%. In currencies, the U.S. dollar was stronger and closed at $1 against the Canadian dollar, $1.59 against the sterling, and $1.27 against the euro. In the Bermuda Stock Exchange, the Bank of Butterfield's closing price is $1.23, with no change at a volume of 4,197. The Ascendant Group's closing price is $12.15, with no change at a volume of 6,000, and Key Tech closed at $6.25, up 25 cents, with a volume of 7,834. That's all for the Stock Market Report. Stay tuned for more news ahead with Peter.